Today we're going to be taking a look at part number A67CB. This is the chrome bracket and single wire plug for thin line trailer clearance and side marker lights. It's a nice chrome plated finish on it, durable plastic construction with an all-weather design, so it's going to stand up really well to the elements. It's not going to rust or corrode. This does work as a mount for multiple side marker and clearance lights from Optronics. You got the mounting locations right here. You're going to have two mounting slots. Those are going to give us a diameter of about 1/4 of an inch, and then the distance that we have center on center between those mounting holes is going to be right on 3 inches. Now the overall dimensions of the actual bracket, that's going to give us an overall length of about 4 inches, an overall width of about 1 1/8, and then the depth is going to measure about 1/2 inch. Now this is a single wire design, so you got the grounding location right here. It's designed to ground through your mounting hardware. Mounting hardware is sold separately, but that's what this piece is, coming out from one of the prong connection points, and then connected to the other prong connection point is going to be your single wire designed for power. Now this is going to give you a wire length of about 12.5 inches. That's measuring from the end of the housing to the end of the exposed wire. It's got the nice little divots located on either side of the bracket. That way you can run the wire out and still have your surface mount installation. Now this piece right here on the wire is designed to create a weather-tight seal and to protect the wire. So if you cut a hole in the trailer body or trailer frame to run your wire through, you can actually place this seal into that hole. That's going to protect the surfacing of the wire, making sure that it doesn't scratch up against the exposed surface and cut through. And again, it's going to provide that nice weather-tight seal in that hole. And then if you don't want to use that, you can simply just slide it off the end of the exposed wire, and you don't have to use it. It can easily be removed if you don't need it. Again, this is designed to ground through the mounting hardware. It's got the nice tabs here on the side that's easily going to grab onto the side of the light. I have a light here today that would use this bracket. It's got the 2 prongs here on the back. Really simple installation. You just line up those prongs with the female port on the bracket, push the light down into place, and those snaps are going to come up, grab the side of the light, and hold it securely in place on the bracket. You can easily remove the light as well. It's really easy, just to use a flathead screwdriver, get a little bit of leverage in there, and pry it away from the light and lift up on the light at the same time. And then it's going to release it from the bracket. That's going to do it for our review of part number A67CB. This is the chrome bracket and single wire plug for thin line trailer clearance and side marker lights from Optronics.